Hi, I'm Satyam Bhuyan, a travel photographer. Today, I'll show you how you can easily unblur images online using Adobe Express, perfect for small business owner, freelancers, and anyone who needs sharp, clear visuals. Blurry photos can be frustrating, whether it's a cherished memory, a product photo for small businesses, or a social media post that didn't turn out right. Go to adobe.com/express and upload the blurry photo you want to fix.
I captured this photo during the vibrant Pulikali festival in Kerala. In the rush of the moment, it went slightly out of focus and lost some details. But with Adobe Express, I was able to fix it in just a minute.
Select the Enhance option. Then use the Sharpness slider to make your image clearer. This helps restore details in your photo. Make small adjustments to brightness and contrast if needed. This ensures your photo looks natural while staying clear. Once you are satisfied, simply download your new clearer photo. For example, a small jewelry business used Adobe Express to fix blurry product photos. Clearer visuals instantly made their online store look more professional and helped attract more customers.
During busy shoots, product or jewelry images can sometimes turn out blurry or lose fine detail, as you can see in this image. But with Adobe Express, you can instantly fix and restore the clarity of the image.
Here is the transformation from blur to clear in just a few clicks. Perfect for product shoots, marketing posts, and personal memories. And that's how you can unblur pictures online quickly using Adobe Express. Small business owner, freelancers, and anyone creating content to make their visuals stand out, try it out today.